Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Monday the 20th of November and that means it is Black Friday week. Black Friday in a few days. If anyone's using TradingView, they've got their 70% sale currently on. Everyone else is releasing their sales at the moment, and we have our own offer, of course, which will give you free crew membership up until that Black Friday weekend, and plus a ton of juicy offers that we are going to be releasing on Friday. So if you are interested in joining the crew, if you are interested in receiving the offers, remember this is a closed sale. It will only be for people who pre-register. Then take yourself over to the Discord where all of the announcements are. You can also have a look on Twitter. I'm not going to go into too much detail on it here. Okay, here it is. This is the offer. Register at wop.com/Taurus-crypto. If you go to tauruscrypto.com, that will also send you a link to that site. If you click join the crew, you get free crew access for 7 days until Black Friday itself. You receive exclusive Black Friday offer on November the 24th, and one pre-registered member will win a lifetime supporter membership. For those of you who are already in the crew, we will be releasing our offers very soon. They will include the chance to become a lifetime supporter at a discounted rate. We do not give those opportunities often. The last time we did lifetime membership was last Black Friday. So we're going to reopen that again if anyone wants to convert their current crew membership into a lifetime membership. And we will also have some other deals for you. Anyway, getting to the charts here. Bitcoin. We had that move up. So the last trade that I was looking for last week was actually the long position that was going to take us from our value area low up towards our value area high. You can see here on the 4-hour chart, price coming down, filling in the 4-hour impulse that we had up. So we had that big old short squeeze after the dump. We came through, we tested this area right here. Okay, a nice area of support. We bounced from that, got ourselves back inside value area, and then got that move back towards value area high, which was also our weekly open at that time. Now we have since opened the new week above our previous week open, okay, and have been holding it for the past, well, the whole day so far, okay, up until now. So this leads me to believe that we have a couple of pretty decent scenarios that could play out locally here. The first one being that if we are able to hold this previous week open, this being quite a key level right now, then I would be looking for a move up to take previous week highs and the highs of the range from over here. We are still in an uptrend, so long positions do still provide the biggest probability setups. However, right now we're already quite high, so it's difficult to get into a long position at this stage. Now, if we are to lose the previous week open, let me just bring on a fixed range pull from the previous week open up until the end of this, and you can see here what we also have as confluence. This was what I was talking about last week. Okay, remember the long that we were looking for from value area low when we got that dip on the Friday afternoon, when everyone started getting really bearish again. It was quite funny. We were looking for the long position to take us back to value area high, and that is what played out. If we are to drop here, okay, and then get caught below that previous week open and value area high, then we can be looking for a move down towards the value area low. Now, I do not really want to see us going any lower than this low here as a wick down, so we can take out that low and hold here. The reason being, okay, this drop was range POC. We then recovered the whole move. We then came down to value area low. All of the important levels below us have already been traded. So what I would like to see if we are to get a dip is just to sweep these local lows and not start to close anywhere down here. That for me would be more bearish because you've already tested all these levels, right? So what's the highest probability then is to come all the way through and start to test the bottom of the range. Now, that would be nice. Okay, that would give opportunities for longs off of this. However, if we are able to form that base, like I say, the higher probability right now is that we continue to move up. Now, this does give us a little bit of confluence. What I can show you here on exo charts is over the past few hours, we have had rising open interest on negative delta, and price has not been moving. Okay, and what we also have is, if we're looking at the 4-hour chart here, then once again, negative delta over the past few candles, not very much. Okay, this needs a bit of time. I would like to see open interest start to get back to slightly higher levels, and that for me would suggest that we could see yet again another short squeeze as we go later on into today. Now, from the 4-hour time frame, okay, we can see we had that single candle delta divergence over the highs here, and we also came through and swept the all of the 4-hour NPOCs that we have. We have left a few behind below. That takes us all the way back down to 35,200, which is coming into that wick from the dump that we had last Tuesday. I don't really want to see that, like I said. If we are to drop down here, then I think that becomes a little bit more bearish, and we're looking at essentially what is currently an uptrending move, okay, despite the fact that we haven't yet taken the highs. We're still in an uptrend, okay, we're still trending higher. If we are to come down here like that 25,200 back into this area, those MPOCs, then I think a move back down to drop this trending move, okay, into more of a range after that. So that would mean that if we do come down and sweep these lows, I would be looking for long positions, because I do think that it's unlikely that we're going to go up and then straight down here. You're likely to form a range first, and if this is to be a distribution, you'll need to distribute. So yeah, that is basically the main plan for myself. Okay, key levels being the previous week levels, they've been working really well. So you got your previous week low, you got your previous week high, you got your previous week EQ, we've got your previous week POC, everything lining up quite well. And if this does hold within this range here, we can also be looking at, like, basically we have this lower half and we have this upper half, and they're to be treated as essentially stepping stones for price to potentially move higher after that. Levels above us, there is a lack of them. So I have them on this chart here. Okay, the red zone here is a daily order block. So if we go all the way back over here, we've got that big daily OB from the crash that we had last May 2022, and this is the zone that we are currently in. So nothing really to suggest to me that we can't continue to push through here. If it starts to get through that, then realistically we're looking up towards $45,000 here, which is kind of crazy, right? We do have that 42k area in the middle, but it comes into lower volume around there. And these two being basically the higher volume areas, the bigger chance of a rejection. So what I think we could see if we do push through, yes, okay, that 50% could cause a rejection and get a big rejection off of that. But more likely, I think we could continue to push through, and then maybe we get the correction around about that 45, 46 K area over there. So yeah, still looking pretty good on the chart overall. I will do, as always, there will be live streams this week. I think I might do one this evening. So make sure you tune in for those. I will be posting my setups onto Twitter and also within the crew. And look, right now you can join the crew for nothing for the next week. So take advantage of that offer. Only don't be like I don't know. Come and like be a helpful member of the community, contribute, and yeah, we will see you over there. But until then, altcoins still looking very good. Okay, I have taken a lot of profit on altcoins. I'm starting to, well, later this morning after I've done this video, I will be finding some new altcoins that I would like to trade. So I will let everyone that is in the crew know about those. But yeah, until then, have a great day. I will see you again very soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.